Ayon sa nakalap nating impormasyon, itigil ang pagpapalubog sa barkong made in China. Yan ang sabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry. Dito kasi sa gaganaping pagpapasabog sa West Philippine Sea ng missile, barkong gawa sa China ang ginawang target ng Philippine Navy. Ayon kay Vice Admiral Adasi Jr., Flag Officer in Command, tuloy ang pagpapasabog, mapa-made in China o hindi itong BRP Kaliraya. Basta ang misyon dito ay mapalubog. Mabuting makita na rin natin sa made in China.
It's an old Navy vessel which we decommissioned. And just like in any sinking exercise around the world, they use old vessels as the target of the exercise. And the same thing we are doing with Lake Caliraya. The vessel has been used in the Philippines for a long time. So any attachment, if ever there is any, doesn't matter at all.
It's just coincidental. It's not complicated, it's coincidental. We have to check. If ever it is, it's no pun intended, no meaning to that. It's just coincidental, if ever it is.
Samantala, lagpas 100 barko naman ng Chinese militia ang namataang pumapasok ng Philippine Navy. Hinalang guguluhin daw nito ang balikatan. Binalaan ng China ng Philippine Navy na kung manggugulo sa gagawin ditong pagpapalubog na pagsasanay, mauunang dumapo sa kanilang missile ng Philippine Navy.
We have been monitoring their presence for the past 2 months since I became this PN spokesman for the Philippine Sea. And like what I said, is a fairly constant number, from a low of 33 to a high of 69 on a weekly basis. Westcom and Naval Forces West were monitoring them, and Westcom dispatched a Coast Guard vessel to intercept them. However, when the Coast Guard vessel got to their track, both ships were gone.
It's only for this week that we have seen a surge of up to a total of 124. 3 PLA Navy, 11 Coast Guard, and 110 Maritime Militia. So yes, this coincides with Balikatan. This upsurge is out of the normal. That has been the call ever since for China to respect international law. And I expect them to behave properly this time because of the presence of the international participants for PK.
Pero ayon kay Rear Admiral Arman Balilo, alam nilang manggugulo sa West Philippine Sea ang China. Alam nang gagawin niyang pag nagbalikatan dito. Kaya nga meron tayong 6 na barkong Japanese na nakahanda. Alam ng China nang nakabantay din yan dito.
This time we allotted 6 vessels from the Philippine Coast Guard. These are all Japanese-made vessels. Yung dalawang 97 meters tsaka yung 4 na 44-meter vessels na magiging platform and security para dun po sa Balikatan. Gagawin po natin yung kailangan gawin at sisiguraduhin natin na walang makaka-istorbo o makakagambala doon sa mga nasabing exercise.
Ngayon, ikaw bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.